Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the language in League of Legends. First, you need to close the game completely. Make sure League of Legends is not running in the background. After that, sign out of the Riot client. Now open the Riot client again. On the top right corner of the client, you will see your profile icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. This is where you can control different options for your account and games. In the settings menu, look for the section where your games are listed. Select League of Legends from the list. This will open the game-specific settings page. Now find the option called Game Language. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. You will see a list of available languages. Choose the language you want to use in the game. Make sure you select carefully because this will change all in-game text and audio if available. After selecting your language, simply close the settings menu. The Riot client will automatically save your choice. It may start downloading a new language file, so wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, open League of Legends again. You will now see the game in your selected language. Thanks for watching.